continuing with the past tense, we will see the perfective aspect. Perfective aspect always implies the action which has been completed successfully, and it is not habitual in nature. Any action which has been completed successfully and is not habitual in nature, it will be treated as perfective aspect. And there is no different rule or separate rule how to form this perfective aspect, because same verb is used in imperfective and same is used in perfective. But in perfective aspect, it is prefixed by, normally often it is pa, like Hindi pa. It is normally prefixed by pa, gwarit, pa gwarit, like this. So, but there are some exceptions also, but normally it is pa, it is prefixed by pa. So friends, we will see some exceptions also in imperfective and perfective, like begat. Begat is run. So in imperfective form it will be begat, but in perfective form it is pa bezat, not begat. Pa begat, no, it will be pa bezat, like this, run. Similarly, it is vidit. Vidit is see, to see, and in perfective aspect it becomes uvidit. Normally vidit, in case all other verbs, it is normally prefixed by pa, but these are the exceptions. We have seen earlier begat, pa bezat. Then vidit, it will be uvidit. Similarly, when we say talk or say, it is gwarit. Gwarit is imperfective, on gwarit, but perfective is skazit, on skazit. Means he was talking, he talked, and his perfective is he said when he finished. So gwarit and perfective will be skazit. Similarly, live. So imperfective part is zit, and perfective part is means prazit, not posit, prazit. Means we are living, we will be using the form of zit, and we were living, we lived. When it is perfective, we lived or we had lived, then it will be pazit, like this. It will change according to subject, other things will be there, but again I am talking about the verb. Then rabotet, it is pa rabotet. Rabotet imperfective and perfective is pa rabotet. Similarly, sidit. Rabotet is work, sidit is sit. Sidit, pa sidit. It is coming like pa sidit. Similarly, read is chitat. And it is prachitat, imperfective form of perfective form of read. So imperfective is chitat, perfective form is prachitat. Similarly, it is ponimat. Ponimat means understand. So imperfective is ponimat and perfective is poniat. Perfective is paniat, means it is different. So these are some of the exceptions. Now we'll see how these sentences are there. Like this, I bought a coffee. It is perfective. So there will be like this. I bought a coffee. Ya kupil coffee. So ya kupil coffee. Kupil again, but again here it will not. It is not an exception. Pa is not there. Ya kupil coffee. I bought a coffee. I went home. Ya poshla. The main word is shell. So poshla domoe. So it will be pashla domoe. I went home. Similarly, I did not phone. Means he is talking of that time when it was imperfective. So perfective. I did not phone means ya ni pazvanila. Similarly, when he says again I did not understand what he said. Ja ni panial sto on skazal. Ja ni panial sto on skazal. Because it is again this is something that it is a perfective converted to like that. So you see, when perfective is there, it will be followed by pa. Ja ni panial sto on skazal. But in that form it has come skazal in second part of the sentence. Then it is ti panial itot film. Ti panial itot film means, did you understand this movie? Ti panial itot film, because it is not like English that helping verb goes before subject. No, only it is the stress level which shows ti panial itot film. Ti panial itot film. Did you understand this movie? Similarly, another sentence, did you tell him about it? Ti skazal imu ob itum. Ti skazal imu ob itum. Again, ti means you, skazal means you spoke, imu him, ob means about, itum about this. So like this. So mostly the sentences which are in perfective aspect, they will be having pa in the beginning, like it is pasvanila, like it is panial, again like it is. But in perfective form, you might have seen skazal means gavarit and skazal. When there is perfective form, instead of gavarit, they use skazal for saying or telling. So this is what. But again, when we come to the conclusion, we will see the entire past tense depends upon either the aspects are imperfective and perfective, or it depends upon the gender of the subject, whether it is masculine, feminine, or it is neuter, or it is plural. So the ending of the verb would change accordingly. But in case of imperfective and perfective, mostly in case of perfective verb, pa is prefixed before the verb. So when we further make sentences or we study in detail, these sentences we will be using number of times, and slowly thereafter, or when we start talking to the people, we start actually working, these sentences automatically fit in our mind and we don't make any mistake. So friends, with this, past tense is complete, and thank you friends.